More news coming in this morning. Sialda bound Kanchenjunga Express met with an accident in Siliguri in Rangapani. Goods train, in fact, hit an express train from behind. No casualty has been reported as of now. Sialda bound Kanchenjunga Express met with an accident is what we know. There's no casualty, thankfully, reported as of now. We have sketchy details at this point in time. But the pictures are from the site where this accident has taken place in Siliguri in West Bengal. The accident happened soon after the train started its journey from the new Jalpaiguri station. This is the NJP station. Two coaches of the Kanchenjunga Express reportedly derailed here. I'm going to go across to Ritik for more details on that. Ritik, in fact, this accident took place soon after the train started its journey from the new Jalpaiguri station. Tell us more about what has happened and what about injuries in this case. We're also hearing that there is no casualty reported just yet, which is good news.
Right. What more we are picking up that currently the rescue operations are underway. Soon after the train set off its journey from the NJP station, this particular Kanchenjunga Express runs between in North Bengal's NJP station and Kolkata Sialda station daily. So what we are given to understand this morning around 9ish, the incident happened somewhere near Rangapani area when this train was standing and waiting for a signal, I believe, and then a goods train collided this express train from behind, in which it resulted derailment of two of its coaches. And what more we are picking up, as of now, there is no casualties have been reported, which is definitely good news. And but as emergency basis, that all precautionary measures are being taken, and relief train has been moved towards the accident site. What we are also given to understand that emergency medical team have been rushed to the spot. On the other hand, another help desk has been established at the Sialda station on emergency priority basis, which is the destination of this Kanchenjunga Express. But we are yet to get the clarity about the cause of this accident, though we have learned that both the trains came on the same track. But remember, currently it's raining heavily. As monsoon has already arrived in northern part of the state, which is why it's causing a disruption of weather, and it is also putting obstacle to the rescue operations. We have been told by the railway authorities, as this Rangapani area is not densely populated, which is why the incident happened on the it's just a side of a paddy field, which is why they are facing difficulties. But we are also given to understand from the local sources that rescue operations are underway. Ambulances have been moved in to the site, and which is a good lucky thing that no casualties has been reported as of now, but all precautionary measures are being taken. But it causes disruption of railway connectivity between in the northern part of the state. Particularly NJP is a very important station which as for the connectivity between Kolkata and North Bengal is concerned. And also the higher authority of railway, particularly from the North Frontier Railway, have been rushed to the spot. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to, in fact, Ritik, ask you to be with us because these are details that are just emerging at this point in time from Siliguri. These are pictures of an accident where a Sialda-bound Kanchenjunga Express met with an accident in Siliguri, Rangapani. Goods train hit the express train from behind. No casualty reported as of now. Sialda-bound Kanchenjunga Express met with an accident. And what we also know is that this accident happened soon after the train started its journey from the new Jalpaiguri station. Two coaches of the Kanchenjunga Express are reportedly derailed. These are pictures on your screen that have come in from Siliguri in West Bengal right now of this accident. Ritik continues to be with us. Talk to us about the kind of rescue efforts which are currently underway. Ritik.
Right. What we are also learning that that state government has also initiated to help the railway authority with regards to this rescue operations. The Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, just a short while from now, tweeted that all precautionary measures are being taken. That DM and SP of North Bengal have been instructed to move to the spot, and doctors and ambulances of the district, and of course the district team have been rushed to the site. What we are learning that the state government and its machinery are also being pushed in for the rescue operation. But the primary the difficulties the railway authority are facing with regards to the rescue operation, because it's raining heavily over there since last couple of days. The weather and the Met Department has predicted is a heavy rainfall and forecast of rainfall, which is why it's causing a disruption to the rescue operation. But we also are given to understand that the ambulances are being sent to the spot. But as this incident occurred adjacent to a paddy field, which is why it is not densely populated. But now the root cause needs to be ascertained, why this incident happened and how this incident happened. Primary information and investigations suggest that the Shialdah-bound down Kanchenjunga Express was waiting for a signal, and when this another goods train collided with the train from behind, causing damages to of both the trains and causing derailment of the Shialdah-bound Kanchenjunga Express. But the rescue operations are underway. High authority of North Frontier Railway have been rushed to the spot. Now, primarily, the priorities are to rescue people who have been possibly being trapped inside those, debris or so. Such operations are underway, but locals have also initiated to help in the rescue operation that we are learning. Back to you.
All right. 3 bogies of the goods train have derailed is what Ritik is telling us. For our viewers, these are pictures from the accident site in Siliguri in West Bengal, where this accident has taken place. The goods train has been derailed and an express train has been hit. As of now, no casualties have been reported, but these are sketchy details at the moment. The rescue work, Ritik telling us, is getting hampered because of the rains that are in fact in fact this area is seeing rains, and that's the reason why it's a bit difficult. What is the current situation right now, even as we stay with these pictures of this accident? A lot of crowd there. Ritik, what more details can you tell us about what time this accident took place? To tell our viewers, these pictures are live on your screens right now.
Well, definitely, Railway Authority and sources told us that incident happened sometime between 9ish and around 9ish. So soon after the train set off its journey from the NGP station, and then the incident happened. And if there is a curve on the railway track where this Kanchenjunga Express was waiting for a signal, we are given to understand. Then another train collided from behind, and that train is particularly goods train. But how does both the train came on the same track? It needs to be established, which is why probe has been also initiated from the Railway Authority. Now priority is to initiate the rescue operation if anybody has found injured or trapped inside the debris. Removing from them from the trapped area is the priority as of now, which is why all the sort of necessary actions are being taken. What we are given to understand, and particularly another help desk has been initiated at the Shialdah station, which is at the receiving end of the train, which is particularly the destination of the train, where the people or the relatives, keen relatives.
Be with us, Ritik. Coming back to you in a moment from now. We have series of reactions coming in. Let's take a listen.
ट्रेन आगे जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद।
एक ही लाइन पे एक ही पटरी पे था।
जी हाँ, एक ही पटरी पे शायद एक ट्रेन खड़ी थी या जा रही थी, शायद स्लो थी, और मतलब एक ट्रेन आ रही थी, आके जो है मतलब ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई है शायद।
तो कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है, कुछ खबर आपको मिला है?
वो तो पता नहीं, मतलब 1-2 जो है डेड बॉडी मैंने अभी देखा है जो है। हाँ,
लोकोमोटिव जो है वो भी बॉडी अटका हुआ है अभी भी।
हाँ, वहाँ एक लोको पायलट जो है वहाँ तो अभी अटकी हुई है वहाँ पे भी। जी,
तो अभी रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है?
जी, अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, मतलब उतने सारे अभी नहीं है। यहाँ जो लोकल पब्लिक है ना, यहाँ का जो लोकल पब्लिक है बहुत हेल्प की है। यहाँ के लोकल पब्लिक को बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा।
पब्लिक अगर नहीं होता तो रेस्क्यू। हमारा नाम MD यूनुस।
क्या हुआ था दादा, क्या आपको क्या पता चला है?
क्या पता चला, अभी तो एक्सीडेंट हुई तो सब लोग देख रहे हैं सुबह से। अभी तो रेल की तरफ से कोई रेस्क्यू टीम नहीं आया है, अभी पब्लिक लोग ही सब कर रहा है।
कितने पैसेंजर्स हताहत हुआ है इसमें?
अभी तो हिसाब से 50-60 तो हुआ है। अच्छा। और भी ज्यादा हो सकता है।
अच्छा,
तो डेड बॉडी भी बहुत निकला है, अभी तो लोकल लोग ही सब कर रहा है।
अच्छा, तो कोई रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है अभी तक?
अभी तो हम लोग नहीं दिख रहा है, अब लोग दिखाए। हाँ दिख रहा है।
कैसे हुआ एक्सीडेंट? कुछ
ऐसे तो कोई मालूम नहीं कैसे होगा, अभी तो देख ही तो रहा है सब कैसे हुआ है। अचानक आवाज हुआ, हम लोग गाँव के हम गाँव से आए हैं।